don't forget, be sure to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications.
Hey guys, what's going on? Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy, coming to you from my home office near Seattle, Washington. Hey guys, well, welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to walk you through a real live sales funnel from a company that we all probably know and love that it's already up and running. And as you guys know, I teach sales funnels on my channels. I've got on Online Sales Funnel Academy and again over on Sales Funnel Academy here on YouTube. But sales funnels, it can be both a noun and a verb. And I just wanted to come live and show you a real one. So, and not that the ones that we do aren't real, it's that just because it's not in ClickFunnels or like that doesn't mean that it's not a sales funnel. So Domino's Pizza is a national food chain here in America. If you're watching from international, they might be international, I don't know. But one thing that I learned is, I order from them. I won't say often, but often enough to know that they give you different options when you're shopping with their menu online. And a sales funnel is all about offering different price points to your customer as they move through the buying process. It's a process. So let's pretend to order some Domino's pizza, and I will show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to sign in to because I have a rewards program. All right, so the first thing we want to do is decide if we're going to pick delivery or carryout. And honestly, because this one's right up my street, I'm going to pretend to do carryout. Who knows? Maybe this will be my lunch order. So it's going to ask me to pick my city and my state really quick. All right, now it's going to ask me which store is closest. So I'm going to pick store pickup. Then it's going to ask me to go ahead and start building out my order, right? So inside of their program, they've got a section for coupons, like, for each store is like a franchise. So they've got, coupons. But I'm going to just grab the first one. I'm going to just say I want just a regular old pizza. And I want I want hand tossed, and I just want, okay, so here we go. Here is the very first upsell or one-time order. Hey, your pizza has been added. Complement your meal and your appetite. Select one of these. Okay, so it looks like it comes with one. So I'm going to say, let's say ranch. And it says add sides. And right here, you can add to your order, or you could say no thanks. Okay, and then when you go to checkout, okay, here's where all the upsells come, and this is where they make the majority of their money, right? So this is their sales funnel. Say, hey, looks like you're about to check out. Would you like any of the following items added to your order? And I would say, yes, these Parmesan ones look fabulous. Why not? And then they say, so you see how they didn't tell us right here that they're going to charge us for the ranch, but they were like, oh, did you want it? And I clicked yes. Well, it was 75 cents. So here I have the option to remove it from the cart if I want. And let's see, if I want to continue to check out, it's going to ask me, okay, right here is asking me, okay, choose your drinks. Right? It doesn't really tell you that you have a choice. Like, you don't have to choose your drinks, but right here it's like, hey, don't forget, you can add your drinks, add your desserts, add some flavor. And at the very end down here, you can even add a donation to charity and round up your order, which is really cool. Or you could also add a promo code. So I just really like Domino's. They're one of the best functioning upsells and downsells. So let's try it again. Let's remove everything from our cart. Let's try it again. I'm going to go to my cart and I'm going to take everything back out. Let's do it again because there was there's something I was trying to get it to do and they didn't do it. Let me see. Okay. So can you guys understand though, like how this would, if you guys had a sales funnel process in your business, you see how it like adds on, the buyer in motion stays in motion. So you're already, the person who's already agreed to give you money on the site, you know, they're not offended if you give them other options. They're like, oh, do you want this with that? And oh, do you want that? And that is the basics, the definition of the sales funnel process, is being able to offer different products to your folks during the checkout process, and increase your average cart value as you are, you know, walking them through the sales process. So can you guys imagine, you know, when I came to the site, I only wanted pizza. But now that I'm here, you know, my average cart value, look, I've just spent $36, and I actually do want all this because I'm hungry. So you can imagine what that would be like, you know, in your own sales funnel, right? You're giving them opportunities for upsells and downsells throughout the funnel. So, you know, it doesn't hurt to ask. And that's one of the misnomers a lot of entrepreneurs have, is they're afraid to go for the ask. So don't be afraid to, you know, go for the ask, because the only thing that'll happen is someone will say no. That's not that big of a deal, right? And the other thing I want to point out here too is they've given them multiple options on how they want to pay. So they can do regular credit card on checkout, or you can do PayPal. That's a very smart move on their behalf too. And they got lots of extras down here. They've got a lot of social proof. We got the ability to, all these disclaimers, and we've got the ability to share on social if we wanted to. They've got a rewards program, which I am a card carrying toting member of. I used to order about once or twice a week, or not a week, twice a month. I haven't ordered in a long time, but maybe today's the day. I don't know. I haven't decided. Okay, so now I want to go back into my cart and remove everything back out, because I'm not really going to buy all this stuff, even though I want to. And all right, well, I hope that helped you guys. If you were thinking about a sales funnel, it's not just about the act of creating the sales funnel. Just remember, you're walking your future customers through a process, looking at products that they already want, and adding in the "do you want fries with that" mentality to make sure that you shouldn't be ashamed or afraid to go for the ask, because it's your products and services. And if you're walking through the door, that means they already have an interest in everything you want. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope this was helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if this made sense to you as a sales funnel process, or if it made you hungry. Let me know. All right, you guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.